So a gentleman told me if he would have judged me off of the way I look, he wouldn't have thought I was capable to do the job that I did. And I did the job, and I did the job well. But by my looks, I don't look like I'm a welder and fabricator, iron worker. I didn't look like I can read a tape measure and level some steel and erect it and install it. I don't look like it. You ever thought about that? What do black men? What do we just look like? Do we just look like we're just workers? We just, majority of black men, we look just like workers, or we kissing somebody's ass to get a check. But when you actually see someone who's a boss, like a full boss, who want to live off their own steam, they want to cash their own check, they want to write their own check, they want to produce the check. You see what I'm saying? They ain't used to seeing people like us. Hog on.